Welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442. A name that once ruled the muscle car era has returned, blending classic heritage with modern performance and technology. This isn't just a nostalgia trip. It's a full-fledged powerhouse that's ready to take on the best of today's muscle cars. So buckle up, because this is one ride you won't want to miss. The 2025 Oldsmobile 442 immediately grabs attention with its aggressive yet refined design. Oldsmobile has perfectly balanced retro styling with contemporary aerodynamics, creating a machine that looks just as fast as it feels. The front end is dominated by a bold blacked-out grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that incorporate dynamic lighting sequences. The long, sculpted hood pays homage to the classic 442, while housing functional heat extractors to keep the beast within cool. Wide fenders accommodate massive performance tires, giving the car an unmistakably muscular stance. Along the sides, you'll find sharp body lines that flow seamlessly toward the rear, emphasizing its aerodynamic efficiency. The 442 badge sits proudly on the front fenders, a reminder of its racing heritage. The side mirrors are aerodynamically sculpted, and the lightweight carbon fiber roof helps keep the car's center of gravity low. Moving to the rear, a prominent lip spoiler enhances stability at high speeds, while quad titanium exhaust tips let out a growl that demands respect. LED taillights feature a sequential turn signal design, adding a modern touch to the car's classic appeal. Everything about this exterior is designed for both performance and style, making the 442 an instant head-turner. Step inside, and the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 welcomes you with a blend of luxury and motorsport inspiration. The cabin is wrapped in premium Alcantara and Napa leather, with contrast stitching that adds a touch of sophistication. Carbon fiber and brushed aluminum accents are strategically placed throughout, reinforcing its performance-driven identity. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in suede, featuring illuminated controls and paddle shifters for a more engaging driving experience. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying real-time performance metrics, including horsepower output, G-forces, and lap times. A massive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, running Oldsmobile's latest UI with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced performance data recorder. The premium Bose sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, but let's be honest, the real soundtrack comes from the engine roaring behind you. The seats are lightweight racing buckets with integrated heating and cooling, ensuring maximum comfort whether you're tearing up the track or cruising through the city. The rear seats offer ample space, making this a muscle car you can actually enjoy on long road trips. An advanced head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, keeping your eyes focused on the road ahead. Every detail inside the 442 screams precision engineering and driver engagement. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 a true beast on the road. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, delivering a staggering 750 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission with an optional 6-speed manual for the purists. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint, a blistering 3.2 seconds. Quarter mile, just under 11 seconds. Top speed, a jaw-dropping 200 mph. This isn't just a muscle car, it's a modern-day supercar in disguise. Power is sent to the rear wheels, but an optional all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in any condition. The 442 also features an adaptive magnetic ride suspension, providing a perfect balance between track-ready stiffness and daily driving comfort. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes bring this beast to a stop with race car-like precision, while an advanced torque vectoring system keeps the car planted through tight corners. Oldsmobile has integrated multiple driving modes, including track, sport, and comfort, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance to their liking. The exhaust system features an active valve setup, meaning you can go from a deep, menacing growl to an all-out thunderstorm with the press of a button. Fuel efficiency isn't the main focus here, but thanks to cylinder deactivation technology, the 442 can still achieve respectable mileage when cruising. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Oldsmobile 442 starts at around $85,000, putting it in direct competition with the Dodge Challenger Hellcat, Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, and Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Fully loaded with all the performance and luxury upgrades, the price can climb to nearly $110,000. But when you consider the level of power, technology, and craftsmanship packed into this machine, it's worth every penny. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Oldsmobile 442, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Look, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.